Why do you settle for less? Why do you accept living an average life? Most people are living a mediocre life. They are ignorant who they are. Don't stay in your cage, living a life of despair and dissatisfaction. You have a huge power inside of you. You are unique and you are here for a purpose. It's time to learn how powerful you are. Unleash your giant. Live a great life that you deserve. You are lifted and you are made for an everlasting success. You can make a difference. I believe in you so much. There is something about you. Unleash that great giant inside of you. Make that move now.